to note that Dr. Ralph Gonsalves is in fact the Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, who you heard in that previous report. In the meantime, the Miami Herald is reporting that U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio will travel to the Caribbean next week and meet with several leaders as part of a three-nation tour. On Wednesday, Rubio will travel to Jamaica, where he will be hosted by Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness for talks. He will then travel to Guyana and Suriname, where he will meet with their respective presidents. The two oil-rich nations on the tip of South America are part of CARICOM. Last month, during the CARICOM's Heads of Government Summit in Barbados, Prime Minister Mia Mottley, the current chair of CARICOM, extended an invitation to President Donald Trump to visit the Caribbean, adding that the leaders also hoped to meet with senior administration officials. Rubio's visit comes as leaders grow increasingly concerned about the quickly deteriorating security situation in Haiti, which threatens to spill over into the region.
To all the